Body's Harmony. Here is the beautiful box. So let's see what's inside. All right, so first it looks like a little packet of samples here. So let's see what's inside the package. Nice little bag, by the way. It's not that sticky bag, it's a little Ziploc baggie. My invoice. And here is the card of Body's Harmony information. And it actually is just the wax guide. All right, so this particular pre-order was made up of a lot of rep designed scents. So she asked all of her reps, which I am one of, what are our favorite scents, what would we like to see, and then she created scents based on that. So you'll see mine in this one. I don't think I ordered everyone from everyone because I didn't, everyone has different scents. But anyway, here's a card that tells you to share your stuff on the social media platforms, a little thank you, and her business card. On the back is her information. All right, so what do we have in this sample here? I have a sample of jelly soap. It's not something that I always indulge in. It's not my thing. But when there's sample jelly soap, I'll use it. So this one is French lavender and honey. And look at the sparkle on that. I hope you guys can see it. Let me see if I can put a card in front of it, so you guys can actually see the sparkle in it. This is beautiful, actually, and it smells amazing. And the reason I don't care for jelly soaps is because I'm a klutz, and so I end up losing half the product. A lot of people cut them up and put them in their bubble cocktails, and I like to use it as actual soap, but it's just slippery and it just slides around everywhere. I end up losing it in the tub, so it's just me. Then we have some Bath and Body Oil Mahogany Teak Wood. Let's see. I really should turn off this fan, huh? I probably messed up the whole video with the fan on. All right, so let's see what's in here. Oh, this smells really super nice. This is probably just going to be a body oil, not bath, because it smells very like aromatically perfumed. Then we have Counting Sheep. Oop, can't get it open. These bags are serious. And it is shaped thusly. And it smells very relaxing, as it should. It's called Counting Sheep. All right, so what's next in the box? Better not go over my Red Bull. All right, so usually I don't buy big parts of wax because I don't like chopping. It breaks my heart to actually chop that sucker. Oh! What is this? This is not my scent. This is Scents of Zen, and it's Gain Type Mac Apple Salty Sea Air. See, I do like the laundry scents like a lot. That's just my thing. Some people like bakery scents. I'm all about the laundry scents, and so she mixed that with fruit, and it smells amazing. Amazing. I know the scent that I created is fruit and laundry scent, so I'm kind of scared of what it would smell like, but she turned this into something wonderful. Like someone had actually said it sounds kind of disgusting. I like the lady who said it, but I was just like, well, I mean, like, thanks a lot. All right, this one is Boardwalk, Summer Boardwalk, and it is beautiful. They're so slickery. They keep like slippering out. Let me just take it out the tarp. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I think I just got this because I was just interested in what it would smell like. It smells like food at the summer boardwalk. You know, like funnel cake and stuff like that. All right, what's next? Mahogany teak wood. I'm excited. So that I don't know if I had the fan on too loud at that moment, but this is mahogany teak wood. This is that oil that I said I'm going to rub all over my body. Let's see. It is beautiful, by the way. She always makes the cutest shapes. Yes. This smells like a rustic man. Beautiful cologne-y, musky smell. Beautiful. And I do like Red Man's cologne, by the way. Who doesn't? Come on. If we didn't like the smell of it, we wouldn't be all over our men when they wore it, right? Garden Breeze is cherry blossom and jasmine. I love those scents. Yes. Oh my gosh. This smells like a freshly plucked jasmine flower from my jasmine plant. I had a jasmine plant and I pick off the flowers and throw them in my water, and I close the water bottle, and then when I go to drink it, the first thing that hits you is the scent of jasmine as you're drinking your water. And look how beautiful it is. That again is Garden Breeze. Gosh, don't remember what else I ordered. Okay, so ordered teak wood, Garden Breeze, Mermaid Laundry. I'm trying to figure out what the heck I had. Graping It Fresh. This is mine. I'm scared. I'm scared. This is the one that I said I wanted to try to smell the scent of, and I'm not a mixer. Like, I don't even take my scents that I have at home and let me drop this piece here and this piece here and see what it smells like. I just want the scent of that particular item. I don't want to start trying to become some mixologist. And so I'm scared because I was telling her I can't do that. That's not me. I'm trying to decide whether it smells tart or fresh. It smells amazing though. You did it, girl. Wow. So this is grape, fluffy towels, and downy. How do you mix these so they smell good? It smelled tart in the bag, but when I took it out, it just smells soft and pretty. That's my contribution to this pre-order, Graping It Fresh. So if you're interested in seeing what Judy made out of the scent profiles that I told her I like, try the Graping It Fresh. Actually, it smells amazing. I wouldn't tell you that it didn't if it didn't. You know, I'm a usually quite honest person. For instance, the Summer Boardwalk, it smells nice, but because it smells like funnel cake, which is bakery, it's not going to be my favorite. But I knew that when I ordered it, so I knew that Summer Boardwalk would smell Summer Boardwalky. I just thought it would be a cute shape. What is this? I opened it up without reading it. This is Magnolia and Macintosh Apple. Oh, oh, oh. Gotta hold it. That one little piece is falling off. Beautiful. And the actual name of this is Magnolia Garden. I'm gonna have to chop all these suckers up. Maybe I'll just take the top piece off and just use the top piece as what I'm going to do the melt from. Because these are all, except for one, I think, tarts. No, two. The next thing is warm vanilla sugar. I had to get two because warm vanilla sugar is freaking awesome. And look how this actually looks edible. Look how beautiful it is. This looks like a delicious cake. Oh, something about warm vanilla sugar that I just love. And here's another one. Oh, it has a different shape on top. I'm making a mess here. This other warm vanilla sugar is just as pretty. Gorgeous. So I'm not sure of these scents that I have here, which ones might have been a rep made scent, because I didn't keep track of who did what. She has a lot of reps, and they all gave some amazing ideas, way more amazing than I thought mine was. And I just didn't keep track, so I could have a bunch of rep scents right in here, and I don't know it. All right, then we have Counting Sheep, but in a larger package. So this is the one that I got the sample of. And finally, we have Little Princess, Miss Little Princess, and this is scented in baby powder and pink sugar. Oh, the shapes are so cute. Oh, who would have thought pink sugar and baby powder would come out smelling like that? It's just a bunch of little princess type shapes. So I won't take them all out, but they have one very large one in this bag as well. All right, so let's recap. What did we have? We had Miss Little Princess. We had Counting Sheep. I don't know how I forgot that quickly. We had the two of the warm vanilla sugar. I put that in there today. Well, let's see, what was the pour date on there? Is there a pour date? Yes, I can. We have the Boardwalk Summer, or Summer Boardwalk? Summer Boardwalk, duh. We have Mermaid Laundry. I think this one was a rep made one. We have Magnolia Garden. That one piece just wants to keep getting off of there. Garden Breeze. The Inky Maid scent, Graping It Fresh. And by the way, Judy, this scent is freaking awesome. I really didn't think, I was scared as to what it would smell like I just created a monster. But you took my scents and turned it into something magical. Mahogany Teakwood, which by far my favorite scent in the package. Sorry, Graping It Fresh, you smell amazing, but Mahogany Teakwood's got my heart right now. The Mahogany Teakwood oil sample, and I think there was one more. Am I missing it? Oh, here it is. Oh yeah, the little sample of the Counting Sheep. All right, guys, that's it. Oh yeah, sorry, my bad. The body, sorry, not the body, the jelly soap sample. That's it for Body's Harmony, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.